Hello everyone! Welcome back to another video of Canada International Student Magazine. My name is Jennifer Rogg, and in today's video, we'll be talking about healthcare in Saskatchewan for international students. International students who are temporarily residing in Saskatchewan for education should apply for the province's health coverage. Let's begin on how to apply for a health card after you determine your eligibility. Applicants need to make sure to have all the necessary supporting documents. Since the application can be submitted via online, applicants need to provide digital copies of the documents both front and back. First, as a foreign national, applicants must provide one of the following. Next, you need to show your Saskatchewan residency. Some of the examples include utility bills, such as cable TV or water bills, or school, college, or university report cards or transcripts that have your legal name. Please note that your cell phone bills are not accepted. Once you have the digital copies of your legal entitlement to be in Canada, as well as your Saskatchewan residency, you can start your online application in the following link. If you're a first-time user, you'll need to create an account first. After you completed the account, you just need to sign in, complete the rest of the registration process, and upload your documents. The Saskatchewan health card applicants are typically processed within 6 to 8 weeks, not including mailing time. That's all for today's video. For more valuable information for international students, be sure to like, subscribe, and follow us on our various social media pages. Have a wonderful day, and we will see you in the next video.